guys, welcome to Short and Simple Recipes. Today we are going to make Korean strawberry milk. So the very first step is on medium flame we will add 1 cup of freshly washed and cut strawberries. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix it well and mash it till the juice comes out. Now you will see that the juices come out. Mix it well again, and this process almost takes 5 minutes. You can see that the strawberry mixture has become thick, and now just close the flame and keep it for some time to cool. Now once it has cooled, we will add this mixture to a bowl or a glass or a bottle. Now you can add some strawberries and some ice. These strawberries are finely chopped. And now add 1 cup of milk. You can add more or even less. And our Korean strawberry milk is ready. Just mix it and drink it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.